They're no strangers to the opulence. And on Saturday, George and Amal Clooney were once again enjoying the high life as the couple boarded a private jet in Los Angeles. The trip was apparently launched to celebrate Amal's 40th birthday. George, 56, looked quite casual as he boarded the aircraft, opting for his trademark dark jeans and black t-shirt combination. He also was weighed down with a jacket, which he draped over his left arm, and a backpack slung over his right shoulder. Amal chose an all-black ensemble for the excursion and opted to cover up almost completely. This week, actor George opened up about his first meeting with Amal, saying they felt an instant attraction. The American actor, 56, has revealed that he didn't even have to leave the house when he was introduced to the striking Lebanon-born other half, 39, by a mutual pal who knew they would hit it off. George gave an interesting insight into his first encounter with Amal as he appeared on Netflix's My Guest Needs No Introduction with David Letterman. "I didn't leave the house," he said. "No, it's the wildest thing." A mutual friend of ours said, "I'm stopping by, and can I bring my friend?" And I was like, "Of course." I got a call from my agent, who called me and said, "I met this woman who's coming to your house who you're gonna marry." Hinting that their love story was fate, George fondly looked back at the meeting with Amal, saying that they talked all night and afterwards exchanged email addresses. "And we just talked, we stayed up all night talking. And I got her email address because she was going to send me some pictures of my parents. So we started writing. I didn't know if she wanted to go out with me, I just thought we were buddies." Smitten, George and Amal went on to marry in a gorgeous ceremony at Venice City Hall in 2014, with the hunk's close friend Walter Veltroni officiating the ceremony. The couple welcomed their first children, twins Ella and Alexander, at the exclusive Kensington wing of London's Chelsea and Westminster Hospital in June of last year.